As the clock ticks down to the end of 2023, our minds turn to 2024, and what the future may hold. As we examine our investments and, perhaps, decide to change a few things or start something new, here is a diverse group of mutual funds to consider for next year. These 4 funds made my list because of their strong track record of success through a variety of market cycles. A mutual fund is a pooled collection of assets that invests in a variety of stocks, bonds and other investment vehicles. Mutual funds can be either passively or actively managed, and an investor is purchasing a portion of the fund, earning proportionate returns. Some inverters prefer to have mutual funds in their portfolios rather than taking the time to research individual stocks in which to invest. Mutual fund managers generally aim to outperform the market average, buying and selling securities to get the best possible return for their investors. You may also want to consider index funds, which aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index such as the S&P 500. Like any investment vehicle, there are benefits and risks to mutual funds. An actively managed fund can bring better returns than other investment vehicles, but also comes with higher risk, as well as a slightly higher cost, since the investor is also purchasing the expertise of the fund manager. The 4 mutual funds I've chosen as having good potential for 2024 are funds I have owned at some point in the past when, earlier in my career, I managed investment portfolios using a mix of mutual funds. They have all stood the test of time, and have been successful through a range of market cycles. Each has key features that make it stand out from the run-of-the-mill funds. The Brain Trust at Forbes has run the numbers, conducted the research, and done the analysis to come up with some of the best places for you to make money in 2024. Download one of Forbes's most popular and widely anticipated reports, 12 Best Stocks to Buy for 2024. The top 4 mutual funds that I've chosen for 2024 are funds that have historically provided a combination of return potential and a form of risk management. While past performance is no guarantee of future returns, these funds are worth considering, especially for investors looking to move a short step beyond traditional S&P 500 or other large-cap stock mutual funds, to respond to the challenges of today's ever-changing markets. LCORX is managed by Leuthold Whedon Capital Management and is considered a flexible fund. It invests in stocks and other equity securities, and also has a fixed income portion invested in bonds and debt securities such as U.S. Treasury notes and bonds. LCORX uses the S&P 500 and the Lipper Flexible Portfolio Funds indices as benchmarks. The managers of LCORX are well-experienced, seasoned fund managers. Top holdings include Microsoft MSFT, Apple, Lam Research, Meta Platforms and Applied Materials Amat.